Hey guys, welcome to the 2 a.m. pipe on the patio. It is 30 degrees out here right now, but it really doesn't feel that cold. Either I'm getting used to it or it's just not as wet or something, I don't know, but it doesn't feel that cold right now. But I am smoking my Bari Nature Select, and in it I am smoking HU Port Latakia. Down to my last tin of that. I probably should have put that down as one of my favorite 5 tobaccos, because that is some good tobacco. So I've been having trouble with my phone. I got a new phone Friday or Saturday, and I've been just having crazy troubles with it. So I took it back tonight and got a new one, and I'm hoping this one will work better. I couldn't even upload videos. It wouldn't let me do anything. It was doing really weird stuff with contacts, and I was just doing weird stuff that I'd never seen on an iPhone before. So I just wanted to come out and do a video real quick here, and see if I could upload. It was I tried to upload a video I took 2 days ago. It said it was going to take 128 hours to upload that video. I said, okay, I think there might be something going on with my phone. At least I'm hoping that it was the phone. It was doing weird things when I turn it on. It would do just things that no other iPhone does, and did some weird blinking things with the little Apple logo. So when I took it in, I showed the guy that, and he goes, yeah, we need to get you a new phone, because that's just too weird. And it kept freezing up, stuff like that. So they are very helpful. They're very helpful, and so I'm just hoping this one will work. So it was a beautiful night out. 30 degrees. Doesn't feel that cold. I don't even have my big jacket on tonight. I just wanted to come out and smoke some of this. I unboxed some of my tobaccos today, and got the HU Port Latakia out. So I wanted to get a smoke of that, because it's been 6-7 weeks since I've smoked that, and I've been missing my HU Port Latakia. It's funny, McKinley, when we got phones, we all got new phones as we changed our service over, and they didn't have the phone in stock that she wanted. So they had to order it and have it shipped to our house. And so it was supposed to come today. So she was standing at the window. She was standing at the window for a good hour and a half just waiting for the UPS man to come. And so she's standing there, and Sadie and I are just watching her and laughing, just watching her and laughing. And finally she turns around and she goes, "When will my husband come home from the war?" And that's what it was like. She was just waiting for her husband to come home from the war. She's so funny. "Oh, when will my husband come home from the war?" She had us rolling today. Just standing at the window. I felt bad because everybody else got their phones that night. And she wanted a specific color, and they didn't have it, so she had to wait for it. So anyway, so I didn't have a lot to talk about. Basically, I just wanted to do this video and see if I could upload it. And this is kind of a test video. So I hope everybody has a good night, and I will catch y'all later. Have a good one. Wish me luck. Talk to you later. Have a good one.